CompTIA A plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5. Compare and contrast common networking hardware devices. NIC. A NIC, short for Network Interface Card, is a common networking component that allows a computing device to connect to a network or another computing device. It acts as the communication link that enables data to be sent and received. The primary function of a NIC is to convert the digital data generated by a device into an electrical or optical signal for transmission, and then convert incoming signals back into digital data that the device can understand. NICs come in many forms and support different ways of connecting to a network. Broadly speaking, they fall into two main categories: wired and wireless. Wired NICs use physical cables, such as Ethernet cables, to establish a network connection. This direct connection typically provides faster speeds, lower latency, and greater reliability. Because wired connections are less susceptible to interference and signal loss, wired NICs are commonly used in environments where stable and consistent performance is critical, such as offices, data centers, and gaming SABs. Wireless NICs, on the other hand, use wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, or cellular connections. These NICs allow devices to connect to networks without physical cabling, providing flexibility and mobility. While wireless NICs offer convenience, they can be affected by interference, signal strength, and environmental factors, which may result in lower or less consistent performance compared to wired connections. Wireless NICs are ideal for mobile devices like laptops, smartphones, and tablets, or in situations where running cables is not practical. NICs can also be classified based on how they are installed in a system. Some NICs are integrated, meaning they are built directly into the motherboard. These are often referred to as onboard NICs. Integrated NICs require no additional installation and work right out of the box, but they offer limited upgrade options if your networking needs change. Other NICs are add-on or expansion cards. These NICs are installed separately and can be easily replaced or upgraded. If a system requires a faster connection, a different network type, or improved features, an add-on NIC allows for flexibility without replacing the entire motherboard. In addition to providing physical or wireless connectivity, every NIC is also associated with a unique identifier that distinguishes it from every other network interface in the world. This identifier plays a critical role in how devices communicate on a network, and that brings us directly into the topic we will cover in the next video segment: MAC addresses. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.